Hello loves, it's Gigi with Cooking with Gigi. Here in the kitchen, gonna make some almond butter. I just finished making hummus and my blender magically cleaned itself. And now I'm gonna make some almond butter, getting some food prep done. I have 3 cups of raw almonds, roasted almonds, sorry. Just gonna pour them right down in there. They don't have any salt because I'm gonna add my own salt because I want to add the salt that I want. I'm gonna add pink Himalayan sea salt. I'm gonna add 1/4 of a teaspoon, a little less than 1/4. Sometimes I get scared with salt because if you add too much, you can't go back, right? And then I'm gonna add I have 4 tablespoons of olive oil, but I'm only gonna add about 2. And I'm gonna save the rest. Oh, that's gonna be messy for later in case I need it. And I'm gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of our double strength pure Madagascar bourbon pure vanilla flavor extract. That's a mouthful, but you know what? The flavor in this stuff is outstanding. Add that right in. Gonna put the lid on and I'm gonna set the blender to nut butter to grind. This blender has a smoothie, alternative milk, so you can make almond milk in here as well, or oat milk, or, and you can make nut butters, purees, soup, heated puree. It has a really cool sauce setting, which makes it a delicious nacho sauce. And you can even make jam in here. I've made it, strawberry jam, and I made a low sugar version that was delicious. Delicious. All right, and then I'm going to take this off because I'm going to use my tamper because you need to push it down in there and press play. It's going to be a little loud, but not too bad. 2 minutes and 20 seconds is all it takes. I knocked my lid loose, which is fine because I feel like I need to add a little more of the olive oil anyway. I'm gonna go ahead and add the rest. I was pushing on this and I knocked the lid loose. And if the lid's not seated properly, it will not run because it has a computer inside and this tells it that the lid is fastened. is done. Let's see how she looks. Look at that steam rising off of there. So good. That's delicious. Gotta make you some.